how to use a hole saw on a Makita impact driver. So what we're going to need is this section here. This should come with your hole saw. Now, if you can see here, we don't have a hex cut out, but we'll go over that in a moment, how to solve that. So unscrew the nut, put this down. Now, this shape here, as you can see, matches with this shape here. So put it in like that and make sure it matches and it's flush through like that. Then take the nut, tighten it up. Oops. So now we're set with the hole saw. Slide this forward, take out the bit what's in. Now it will not fit because there's no hex bit. What we need is something to keep the hole saw in our impact driver. This is where this chuck adapter comes in, so we can put that in, then add it to our chuck adapter. This has just basically turned our impact driver into an ordinary drill, and there you go. We've turned our Makita impact driver into a hole saw. So hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.